Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate crumble pudding that's gluten-free, it's vegan friendly, and it's quick and easy. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some avocados. So you want some avocados that they're not overripe. So you want avocados that are semi-ripe. So they should be quite firm, because if you get avocados that are overly ripe, it's going to have too much of a strong avocado taste for the recipe. So try to use some firm semi-ripe avocados. You're also going to need plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk, some cacao powder, which is a vegan version of cocoa powder, some almond flour, not almond meal, but you need almond flour, some coconut sugar, 4 dates, so that's optional, but I like to add dates to the pudding. Also some maple syrup, but you can use agave if you want to, some vanilla extract, and a small amount of vegan butter. So the first thing that you need to do is just to line a baking tray with parchment paper, and then you just want to put it to a side. So the first thing that we need to do is to grab a small bowl, and then you want to pour your almond flour into that bowl, and then you want to also pour in the coconut sugar, and you just want to mix it together. So I use my hand to mix it together. You can use a small whisk or a small spoon if you want. You just want to just quickly just mix it together so it's completely combined. After you have done that, the next thing you need to do then is to get the vegan butter, and then you just want to add that to the almond mixture, and you just want to just now break it down into a crumb. So you just want to get your hand or hands and just continue just to break it down into a crumb texture. So what we're going to do now with the crumb mixture that we made, we're just going to put it on the baking tray. So you just want to place it on the baking tray and just want to spread it out. Once we have spread out the crumb mixture, we want it to toast in the oven. So you want to toast it until it's golden brown. So it's going to take a few minutes until it's golden brown, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's toasted. So this is what it looks like after it's been toasted. I'm just getting a spoon and just showing you guys what it looks like. It's nice and golden, so I'm going to put it to the side. So now it's time to make the chocolate pudding. So you just need a high-speed blender, and what you want to do is you want to add your wet ingredients first. So you want to add the almond milk, the maple syrup, and also the vanilla, and then you want to follow up with the rest of the ingredients. Once you've added all of these ingredients, you just want to put the lid on, and you just want to blast it until it is really smooth, and I will show you guys once the mixture is nice and smooth so you can see what it should look like. So it's been about a minute or so of pureeing, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to remove the lid now and show you guys what the pudding looks like, and I'm just going to grab a spoon and show you that it is really silky and smooth, and that's what your pudding should look like. So the only thing you need to do now is to grab a bowl or 2 bowls, depending on what you want to serve it in, or some ramekins or serving glasses, and then you just want to spoon it into whatever you prefer to serve it in, and then you want to sprinkle on top the crumble that we had made. So it's a really simple recipe. It's a blender friendly recipe for the pudding, should I say. And this is one that I've made for guests before and they really like it. I usually serve it in some very small serving glasses, and you can do the same and just put the crumble on top. And I promise you, for a vegan pudding or dairy-free pudding, that your guests, loved ones will really enjoy this recipe. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.